What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight we're going to be heading on over to the homie Javi's house. The homie Cisco is getting his car wrapped, so we're going to be helping him out with that. This will probably be a multi-day thing, and I probably won't be there for every single part of it, mostly because I work the first 2 days. So we'll see. I'm not sure if they started yet or not, but I'm about to head on over there and we'll see how it's going. By the time this video come out, the underglow video should be out. I've been sitting on it for like a week or two already, but you should have seen it already. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there. Alright, so here we got a few people. This is the car getting work done. Haven't seen the color yet, so. Alright, so the car is out. So, yeah, got the car out. Now, need to clean it, and then from there, start taking it apart. So most of the work will probably start and be done tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna miss some work. I might not even see the color, so I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so the car has been cleaned. They did a good job with the car in general. Now they're taking some parts off. So right now they're working on the trunk. And they're gonna start doing some stuff for the hood here. But trying to get the vents and stuff like that taken off. Gonna try these, debadge it and all that good stuff. But yeah, looking good so far. Alright, he's about to leave. Today was just about cleaning the car up and removing some emblems and some parts of the car. But yeah, I came here just to get him rolling out. So that's pretty much it. You see, got the lineup here, pretty good. You can really see how dirty my car is. Good grief, man. Here he goes.
Infinity badge like the other way.
Upside down.
It goes like this. Yes, that's what I said.
Go.
Yeah, this one's.
Yeah, no, go for the top. Yeah.
Rip. Damn. I think you need to hit it out more.
And we just need that goo gone. Yep. It's hot.
Hey, you want me to finish it off, dude?
That's what she said.
You know what's funny? The whole thing. I put a glove on for that reason, and I'm still trying to touch it with the other one. Alright, so now
A lot of adhesive.
Oh, real quick?
Alright, here for day 2. Sheesh. The whole squad gonna be wrapped pretty soon.
man, let me air out.
I'm gonna finish this when he airs out.
I was telling though, with that color wrap he got though, you should have done something on the front like you have. Like he, got all the carbon fiber. I know,
Yeah.
but I don't know.
Yeah, he told me up front before even planning to wrap it. He was like, yeah, all this is staying.
Yeah, I know. You said it.
Yeah. But I definitely do like how it looks. But I'm not the exposed carbon kind of guy. There we go. Want to see it correctly.
Well, let me pull a hobby.
Oh, you got more? Here we go. No. All right, cool. Yeah, cause you gotta be right up on it for it to work. But
I haven't hooked it up because I haven't screwed anything into the front bumper yet. The underglow on the side skirt's still there, but I haven't drilled it and I haven't put it on there yet.
Okay. Yeah, she's definitely looking good. Here we go.
It's great.
How's it feel seeing your car driving?
Weird.
You got my car earlier today too. I was like, damn,
It's fucking weird.
All right. So let's go get to drive everybody's car.
he's the lucky one.
Right.
Everybody's car. So now we all got drive.
Yo, so we forgot he doesn't have sandpaper.
Yeah.
Well, don't worry, they didn't have.
He's at it. Yeah, I'm definitely glad he got the adhesive off too. I know that was a pain.
My hand still hurt.
Yeah. Definitely a part I hate. Alright. So yeah, this has not officially been revealed to everybody just yet. So by the time you see it, it'll already be out. Haven't really done the color yet. But and tomorrow's gonna be even more of us here.
I like how it gets on his nerves sometimes.
No. Funny shit is, ask fucking Cisco last night when he talked to you and you told him that you'll be here 10 and 12. Okay, yeah,
I said I was shooting for that time.
Yeah, he said 10 and 12? Alright, cool. Expecting to be like 3 or 4. Look, you showed up at 4:30. And 12.
There's traffic.
And then 2 hours into it.
Alright, looks like y'all made some pretty good progress. Looking good.
I'm almost done.
It's only 2:30. Pretty good.
Fire. Door next, right?
And we still got some others coming.
You might need.
Alright, so we got more showing up, so had to move the car back.
Yeah, every other word.
Let's see. Let's go ahead and get a couple closer shots. Pretty good progress. Most of the cars are done. Gotta clean up the fender, and I think that's what's next up there. But we got the squad. Quite a few members. Not everybody, but we definitely got a lot of us here. Did some rearranging. I think we still might have another 2 or 3 people showing up as well. So it'll probably be dark by the time they get here though. Alright, well, before Steve goes, Yeah. With the updated cars. All right. There we go. Looking good. So we got the lights on now.
Yeah. Shit. I can't wait until he comes home tonight and he sees you like, what the fuck?
Well, he'll be gone by the time he gets out.
Huh?
Challenger guy.
Nah, you can surprise me.
I'm just saying,
he
this
works by here, so
technically starts at like 9 minutes.
Fucking time schedule.
Just saying, you know,
I think coquito when I put it in.
Oh, okay, I'll put it back on the counter.
Yeah, you do coquito too? Yeah.
Oh, this coquito, damn, fuck, I forgot about it. Yeah.
No, he didn't make it. Somebody brought it.
Oh yeah, it's definitely fucked.
Hell yeah, it is. I shot the other day.
Oh, the other day?
Yep.
And how was it?
It was good.
That's why.
And we have another. So we got quite a few members showing up throughout the day. Lineup looking good. Whoa, whoa. There we go. We had a few who left. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the autofocus there, but yeah, we're looking pretty good. Super Bowl, I think they're in third quarter right now. Almost done with the car. Wow. We got the whole side to do, and then the front bumper. I think the rear bumper too. So, not quite almost, but making some pretty good progress. All right. So, I haven't been here for the last few visits, so I missed a lot, but you can see what's done. We just have the rear bumper, the spoiler, and the front bumper. So, made some good progress. Probably finish maybe tomorrow. Not too sure yet, but and we don't have everybody this time. I probably could have. Well, no, Javi's gonna be pulling up too, so yeah, it's good to be parked back there. But yeah, we definitely looking good. All right, so okay, so this video I believe is gonna be the finish of the GTR. So let's do that, and then I'll do the clean culture stuff after. But here we go. This is the mostly finished product. So what you think about the overall job?
It's pretty solid.
Pretty solid? Okay. I was actually expecting smart response, but
It's Cisco. It's alright. It's alright.
it's alright. I really thought he was gonna talk trash.
Oh yeah. Oh no. Yeah.
That kind of smart, not. But wrapping it up here. I keep wanting to say Harry raps. Macho raps. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, we all been linking up. Make sure we got the GTR wrapped. So we're gonna be working on a couple other of the homies' cars eventually. So definitely stay tuned for that. Make sure you check out the homies. I'll put the link to their Instagrams down below. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for rocking with me. This one took a while to get through. Just been recording over time, but people got full-time jobs and stuff, so we got it when we got it. All right, but before we do that, let's go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and I'd like to thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.